Hi guys, here we are at the Brayford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Now, finishes off sent. Oh, the second lot of barriers aren't, first lot of barriers aren't even down yet. Right, now this is the, where I've lost it. This is the 1425 Northern to Romeo 29 Northern service to Adwick. Go on, Sem, finishes off. Good scent. Right. So I should have really said on the other side for this closure. But unfortunately, well, some of you might hate it, but unfortunately, we're too far away from platform 5A to hear the squeakiness of the trains coming through. Because the trains just boost up when they're up here, they don't brake. Oh, I can already hear her. Here she is. One 42032 to Adwick. 14232 off to Adwick. And sent packed once again. Up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.